Hey everybody, May's coming up, Stop the Bleed. I just want to talk to you about something special. Got this little kit I've been working on with some friends. It's one of my big kits I keep around the house. I think everybody should have medical gear, trauma gear. This great thing about this little kit is you can throw it in your car, in your backpack, whatever, and I'll show you what's in it. Little canvas kit, and man, it's loaded. First we got a chem stick. Basically you can snap that open and see what's going on. We've got an emergency Israeli bandage. This is a compression bandage. Helps stop the bleed. Got a pair of nitrile gloves. Definitely want to stay safe. This should be the first thing you put on if you're treating someone else. There is a emergency thermal blanket. This is great for any kind of trauma. You want to wrap the patient, especially if they've had blood loss. We have compressed gauze for packing wounds or wrapping wounds and then putting your compression bandage over it. We also have titanium shears. Man, you can cut a penny in half with this. So you can cut off clothes, cut seat belts, whatever, if you come across an emergency. We have flat wrapped duct tape. What this is great for is you can take the bag off of this or even this and make a improvised chest seal if you had to, if there's a puncture wound. And the great thing I like, and it features the Recon Tourniquet. I'll show you real quick what I really like about the Recon Tourniquet. A lot of people have tried to say some negative things about this. This is not a knockoff of another popular brand. This is a design that's been improved upon. One thing I really love about this, number one, it has an aluminum windlass. This windlass will not break like some of the other tourniquets you've seen with plastic. It has Kevlar stitching all around to keep this in place. Another beautiful thing I like about it, especially for one-hand application, it's got this finger hole, so say under stress or loss of blood and your hands are slippery, you can grab it and attach it. This is a great tourniquet. This is one of the centerpieces of the kit. This will stop any major bleeding from any appendages, and you've got all the other equipment here with it. These are going to be for sale at an amazing price, under $40 for the whole kit. I'll keep you posted on it. Definitely add one to your loadout and be prepared. Until next time, see you later.